The mountains of Kananaskis hold a special spot I've wanted to visit for a few years now. A hot spring in the Alpine. Not like the others I've experienced in the past. So we've reached the pass, which is covered in beautiful green colors and wildflowers, and it's a really beautiful pass. And you're not exactly sure where the hot spring is because you can't see it from the bottom. But just up here, just up the ridge to your left, I can see a little line of rock on the mountainside, and that's got to be the hot spring. That has to be it, because all that is in the background. And what a beautiful background. One of the first things that you notice about the hot springs is the vibrant colored gooey slime growing in the warm spring water. These are biofilms, and they're thriving in this environment due to the hot spring in an otherwise harsh and extreme climate on the side of a mountain. And I think they're strangely beautiful.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The hot spring pools are small. There's 2 of them where you can fit 2 people each. But the view is absolutely gorgeous. The view makes up for it. This is $1 million view, and I could literally sit here and soak all day. Beautiful sunny day like today. Couldn't ask for anything more.
The water temperature is not super hot. They're not hot springs. It's actually more lukewarm. No pun intended. If you visit this beautiful place, please respect it and pack out what you pack in. Music by Nomyn, Reverie, and Dr. Turtle, You'll I'll Ah. Thanks for watching. See ya on the next adventure.